So today's project is cleaning up that box I got yesterday. I picked up this vintage Craftsman toolbox at the second use, and it was kind of dirty and rusty and all kinds of stuff. So today's project is cleaning it up, and then it's gonna hold our art supplies. A little bit of E40 on it, and the drawers work awesome. Step 1 done. It's clean and WD-40'd. Now, step 2 will be get some Rust-Oleum matte gray paint and take care of spiffing this guy up. Okay, it's taped and ready for spray paint. And now the red on the drawers is covered with painter's tape. So I'm going to take that off and armor all them, and armor all the handholds on the end too. Then it should be done. And now it's time for the armor all. Oh, look at that. There she is. Oh my gosh. Looking really nice. I didn't spray paint all the way inside all the drawers, just where it needed some rust coverage, if there was any. There. Paintbrushes can go, art supplies. Nice. This part clicks up like that. That will be freaking awesome for things. Spiffed up pretty nice. A little bit of polish on the Craftsman side here. Yep. Not bad. And I got it at a salvage store. Just a little bit of spray paint and it is all good. Yay.